Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And you know, I always forget to ask y'all, would you give a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you prefer, just as long as you engage, they say. And then also, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. I forget to ask y'all. Anyway, so I'm asking now. I am going to announce the winner from one of my giveaways, one of my collabs that I've done with Charmaine's Staycation. I have two recently with her, and the first one was our birthday collab. We both share the same birthday, December 17, and we did a collab. And I think hers already ended, but I let mine go a little bit longer because of just everything that was ending at the end of you know, with the advent calendars and stuff. So I have ended that. I think it was January 7th I ended it, and I've chosen a winner. So I'm going to tell you who the winner is from that. And to be qualified for that, you had to go to Charmaine's channel and say happy birthday to her. And then you had to also be publicly subscribed to Charmaine's Staycation and myself. And I'll put her in the description so that you can see her in case you're new to my channel and you don't know her yet, because you'll really like her. She's doing this fantastic 31-day collab, where she's doing a collab every day with a different channel. And I was January 1. So go see that if you haven't seen that yet, because I'm not ending that until I think it's the 15th or 16th of January. I can't remember the exact day. But I'll be ending that in another week. Well, I guess, was that Monday or Tuesday? That's Sunday and Monday. Sunday or Monday, so I don't remember exactly, like I said. So I'll announce the winner for that next week sometime. So I'm just all discombobbled with a lot of things going on, and all these giveaways I've been doing and ending them, and I want to make sure I don't forget anything. I actually filmed this video already, but I told y'all about a different giveaway that I have already ended and already told you the winner of. I put this winner in that video, and oh, it was a mess, but anyway. Okay, so I did want to tell you a couple of things. I did in that video that I mistakenly made. I got a beautiful card, and this is from Jen Button. It says, "Hello Sunshine." I'm not going to share what she says because it's personal, but isn't it a beautiful card? I just wanted to show you that. I know a lot of us have not seen Jen in a while, so I sent her a Christmas card and just asked if she was doing all right. Isn't that beautiful? And she's doing well. She's just had a very, very busy time of it. And she tells me a little bit about that in here, but the bottom line is she's doing well, and her family's doing well. So I just wanted to share that with you, that she did respond, and I was happy to see this card. It's so pretty. I just love looking at those sparkles on the sunshine. So thank you so much, Jen. If you happen to catch this, I know she's probably too busy to be catching YouTube, but if she does catch it, hey, Jen, and I know a lot of us have been missing you. So also, I wanted to tell you a little bit about that Melt Makeup Mystery Bundle that I got. It was fantastic. It was $25, and I got 6 items. Most people got 5 items. I think I accidentally got a black eyeliner, a pencil eyeliner in it, which I've been using and I like it. But it was, everybody else that got that box did not get that. So, but that was a nice little bonus. But I showed you the lipstick, and you know, it's just gorgeous, and it looks gorgeous, and it has all this etching on it, and I was afraid of it because it's so purple, but I did swatch it for y'all, and it was beautiful. And as soon as I was done filming, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna try it, and it looks very different on my lips. I don't have it on today. I'll show you a different lipstick that I have on today, but this, look at just how etched, how gorgeous it is. It's gorgeous. This I wore after I showed you that mystery box, several videos afterwards. I wore that every day for maybe 3 videos, and I just love it. It comes off darker on my lips. Sometimes it seems very dry to my lips, so if it's dry, I've been putting on this from Winky Lux. This is just a, you know, a little topper. It's got all that glitter and stars in there, but that doesn't really come out of there. So, but it gives you a little wet, you know, a little wet look. I don't like lip glosses that are super sticky, and this is not. And you know, just I like a more dry lip because I think because of the fur. You know, if the cats walk past me and swipe their tail over my face, I don't want to have fur all over me. What I'm wearing today is this Yensa Super 8 Vibrant Silk Lipstick. And I did show you all this when I got it. And you know what? I can't remember where I got it. I believe I got it from Ipsy. And I don't remember if it was in my Ipsy like choices or if I got it in one of the $5 bags, which means I would have got it with another product. But it's a full size. It's in the color Noble, and I just love it. And this is really gorgeous. I had shown it to you all before. You push the top, and then it comes out. And that's it. And that's what I have on my lips today. So it's gorgeous. I absolutely love it. And okay, so the winner of my birthday collab with Charmaine's Staycation is Valerie B. So congratulate Valerie B, please, if you will, or, you know, congratulate the winner below. And I also have something for the new treasure trove. We're going to try and see how this works with adding bonuses. So I have this bite-size eyeshadow in Berry Bad. It's e.l.f. And it's gorgeous. The two ends are mattes, matte and a matte. And I can't take that off because it'll unseal the package, so I don't want to do that. But these are very beautiful berry burgundy shades. These two are shimmers. It's a very beautiful little palette. And I wanted to show you too the Melts Daydreamer blush that I got. Blush or bronzer. I sort of thought it was a bronzer. It's a cream blush light, it's called. I don't have the box anymore. It looks like this. You can see I've used it. It looks so dark. I thought, oh no, I'll never be able to use that. I thought it was a bronzer or a, what do they call it? Contour. But it's gorgeous. I read about it afterwards, and it is sheer. So I'll show it to you. It has a little bit of a sparkle to it. It does look dark there, but when you put it on, it's sheer. So, and you know, you can blend it real nice down. And it's just a beautiful sheer. You can darken it up or lighten it up, whichever you want to do. It's very beautiful. So that is that. And that is this video. So I just wanted to tell you a few little things. And if I remember, I'll put Valerie B at the end of this so y'all can see who she is. I'm sure y'all know her. She's always in the comments. And thank y'all for stopping by, and count your blessings. And by the way, this is Friday, so tonight my Friday night gab, smudges up on my refrigerator, is going to be live at 7 o'clock Central Time, which is 8 o'clock Eastern Time, 6 o'clock Mountain Time, 5 o'clock Pacific Time. So if you'd like to come to that, I'm going to pick the winner of the second Advent calendar, the one that I did from December 26th through January 6th. And I have the bucket and it's ready to go, and I have all the names in there, and I'm going to pick a winner. And you do not have to be present, so don't worry about that. If you win, you win, unless you don't get back to me. That's the only way you would not win, is if you don't get back to me. So look for that to see who the winner is, and I think that's it for now. So y'all take care, have a good day, and see you this evening. Hopefully I'll see you this evening. I love to see y'all, especially in the lives. They're lots of fun. Lots of people come to them. We all gab back and forth, and it's just a lot of fun. So y'all take care, count your blessings. Hopefully see you later, y'all. Take care. Bye-bye.